$30,000 worth of credit line, and you can call it personal loan with no credit check. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In today's video, I would like to give you a massive opportunity that will just not give you a $30,000, or you can call it up to $30,000 worth of credit line or personal loan that you can call it, but it will also increase your credit score significantly. And what I mean by that, well, I'm gonna tell you about it in just a minute. Hello, this is Sam, and I've been doing it for past several years. I'm really happy that you guys are getting credit cards, credit lines, and personal loans with no impact to your credit score, and you are getting those financial products even with bad or worse credit. And if you are someone who is dealing with a bad or worse credit or no credit history, then Credit Oaks is the channel that you really need to subscribe right now. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get the notifications of our videos every single day. And please don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So let's not wait and let's begin. Well, this opportunity is known as Tomo Boost. I've personally used it, and according to them, you can actually get up to $30,000 worth of credit line, and you can boost your credit score up to 105 points or over 105 points, and there is no credit check required. This is a massive opportunity for anyone who's unable to get any personal loan, credit line, or credit card because of their bad or worse credit. And this is the fastest way, I believe, that you can increase your credit card, and technically is guaranteed, but you need to understand that I'm not a financial advisor, so this is something that you need to research yourself. But right here in Credit Oaks channel, we bring you financial products like this one, which will just not allow you to boost your credit score, but it will also allow you to get the credit limits that you deserve without factoring in your credit score. So let's start with it. Well, they say that build credit fast and you can get up to $30,000 worth of credit line, and 105 or more than 105 credit boost means, of course, like let's say that you have 600 score right now. Oh, let's go lower, 500, right? So it can actually increase your score more than 105. So probably in a month or two you will see 605 or 705 score, but you need to understand that it doesn't happen overnight. You need to work for it, and this is a great service. This is a paid service, so I'll tell you about the pricing and how it works, but this is a great opportunity because they have 5-star reviews from a number of people, and they're also mentioned in a number of major websites and publications like New York Times, NerdWallet, USA Today, and the Wall Street Journal as well. Well, according to them, you can know your credit score because they have this free tool that you can use, and at the same time, you can they also have a AI financial advisor that you can use on their app, which is great. So let me move towards that, and at the same time, you can fix damaging your report mistakes. They'll also take care of any of the mistakes that you have on your credit report, and according to them, it's easily available to everyone, and you can dispute the inaccuracies to safeguard your financial health. So remember that. You can also do bill tracking, as they have a separate organizer in the app. Well, of course, they also call it for credit building loan. You can boost your credit score and expand your opportunity, and it's coming. It's not there yet, but they have the credit line right now, and the loan is coming right next to it. But one thing is very important, as I mentioned earlier, that I personally used it. Let's go towards the how it works, and this is very important. Take control of your credit and cash flow with Tomo. Well, you can track all of your bills in one place. You will get the real-time updates, means if you have any rent, utilities, subscriptions, actually everything will be shown up right here. How? Well, I'll tell you in just a minute. And you can take action. For example, if you have any unwanted subscription that you need to cancel, you can do it through their app as well, which is a great feature because a number of us don't even know that we have subscription that we need to cancel, and this is a great way to do that. You can enroll in credit monitoring, so remember that, and you can actually get the free credit report through them. This is also a great thing, and this is something that I really wanted to talk about, that you can fix credit errors. Did you know that 1 out of 5 people have errors on their credit report from all 3 credit bureaus? And a number of people actually got rid of many loans and credit cards, like the old ones. This is not the way that I would actually recommend, but this is something that this Tomo Boost can work for. Automated disputes or AI scans your credit report for inaccuracies and negative remarks. You can file a dispute conveniently with all 3 credit bureaus with the help of AI. And of course, you can actually boost your approval chances, improve your credit, and increase your chances of getting approved for a car loan, mortgage, or business financing effortlessly. Personalized credit counseling. Of course, they have one-on-one credit counseling if you really need it. And they have instant AI assistance, credit, and financial education. Now, you must be thinking, okay, this is great, but what about the pricing? Do I have to pay anything? Yes, you do. They have 3 tiers, the starter, VIP, and premium. You can actually pay them monthly or yearly as well. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to research yourself, but this is something that we always mention in each of our videos, so you know that what you are going into. But right here, the starter package starts with $8.33 per month. You can get up to $1,000 credit line, 2 months of bill tracking, view real-time credit score, and remember that at the same time, all major credit support means they report to all major credit bureaus, Expedient, TransUnion, and Equifax, and there's no hard credit pulls. Well, they have also a premium, so let's go towards that. The premium is actually, you can get up to $10,000 credit line, 6 months of bill tracking, in-depth credit report, $50 value, and find errors on your credit report history, view real-time credit score, all major credit bureau support, no hard credit pulls. And right here is actually $33.33 a month. They are saying that there is a special deal going on right now, so you can see that. While the most valuable that most people use is the VIP one, where you can get up to $30,000 worth of a credit line, and of course you can call it a credit card as well. And 24 means 2 years of bill tracking, credit wellness coach. You will get a one-on-one session, instant credit boost, AI financial assistance, priority support, in-depth credit report, $50 value, which you are getting in this one. Find errors on your credit history, view real-time credit score, all major credit bureau support, and no hard credit pull. Well, they have the monthly plan as well. I was actually showing you the yearly one. So yearly is $83.33, while the monthly is $129.99. So how it works, let me just tell you that if you're thinking you're gonna get up to $30,000 credit line and you can use it, well, technically you cannot, because what they will do, they will actually report this limit to your credit bureaus like TransUnion, Equifax, and Expedient, and then they will see that you have high credit limit despite you're having a bad or worse credit score. So your credit score will see a boost, and they will also show that you're making on-time payments, which is great. So this is something for people who are going through worse times when it comes to their credit score, means they're not able to get a renter house or mortgage, or you can say a car loan or credit card or credit line or personal loan. And this is something that you can actually use their service and get the credit products that you need. Remember, again, this is something that you need to come up with. Think about it, as this is a massive opportunity, and I wanted to mention it right here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right now and click on the bell icon so you can get the notifications of our videos every single day. If you appreciate our content, make sure you smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.